The lack of storage can be one of the most common problems for many rooms, including the bathroom. You can solve it by adding more cabinets and shelves. However, they may not be the best option as they protrude from the wall and may take up more space. Therefore, you need to consider investing in built-in storage in your bathroom since it will help you cut clutter without consuming more space. Focus on that help. Next, we'll discuss 12 ingenious built-in bathroom storage ideas. As always, these summaries are presented to you by SimpHome. Number 12. A low-profile built-in shower shelf transformation. Some shower shelves have seductive patterns that appeal to everybody. If you don't want that attention, try this low-profile shelving unit. The design and color match the tiles, making them an integral component of the shower. The sleek finish adds elegance to this little bathroom. It's functional but remains classy simultaneously. Number 11. How to articulately conceal your shelf. In a small bathroom, 16 inches is priceless. Consider building a cabinet between studs, so you can store items without adding more bathroom furniture. Before removing drywall, check for water and electrical lines. Fit a shelf or cubby into the opening. By drilling holes, you can create adjustable shelves. You can then support each shelf with dowels or brackets. Install a mirrored door to hide the cabinet and check your appearance. Using a framed picture to hide bathroom storage is another alternative you can consider. Number 10. Built-in cabinets alternative for a contemporary bathroom. Baths are great for relaxing. Sometimes you can feel so immersed that you don't want to get shampoo or scented candles. Thus, you may need to bring plastic storage bins or duplicate our current built-in cabinets. These are ideal for a small bathroom, although sadly, you will need deep pockets for extensive refurbishment and exact measuring to copy and complete the storage with flush-fitting doors. More money if you want flat or shaker doors with Euro hinges to complete it. Number 9. A hidden built-in shelf idea ideal for a compact bathroom. This built-in shelf layout is best for a small bathroom where you may bump into wall-mounted shelves when you use them. Before, this bathroom was tiny. Wall-mounted shelves or other storage solutions would make the area more crowded. Luckily, the owner built in shelves to solve the problem. Shelves nest in the wall so no one will bump into them. The door is particularly fascinating since it matches the paneling, camouflaging excellently. When you shut the door, you won't see the shelves. Say your bathroom studs are 16 inches apart. Use those extra inches to rest or grow. The ideal is a tiny recessed cabinet like in the picture. Number 8. A recessed makeup box storage idea. If you're keen on the modern style, these built-in cabinets will be your favorite. The recessed cabinets stay flush with the mirror hanging on the vanity wall, which complements this bathroom's modern style. To be strictly honest, the main storage of the idea is nothing more than a medicine cabinet crafted inside a contemporary interior plan. It won't remind you of the first aid cabinet inside your grandma's bathroom. The built-in cabinets offer ample space for grooming essentials and clutter, which are usually taking over the counter space on the vanity when not in use. Number 7. Tap your awkward corner idea. The corners are weird, many don't utilize it. This time, however, you'll build a custom cabinet. First, know what's behind your wall so your strategy won't cause new complications after reconstruction. Second, measure and set your deconstruction plan. It's the hardest part of the plan and requires more than baseboards, white paint, or sealers. Alternatively, you can design a pegboard storage solution here. Even if your pegboard isn't professionally polished, you'll have zero headaches, or at least few. Number 6. A DIY built-in shelving unit idea. Some restrooms contain a recess for toiletries and towels. Wire shelving makes this idea unappealing, so avoid it. Instead of wire shelving, consider creating wooden shelves like in the picture. 1. Screw the frame sides to the wall first. Make bookcases solid by drilling through wall studs. 2. Attach the shelves and remaining parts. 3. After the shelves are built, cut a 1x8 to size to trim out the top. 4. Cut the bottom 1x6. Finish the sides and shelves. 5. Caulk the seams and nail holes. Lastly, paint the built-in shelves and install baseboards. Related to the pegboard idea you heard on the previous point, we have 10 storage solutions and organization ideas using pegboards, published a few months ago on SimpHome. Although the list won't be ideal for all space in your house, it will offer you a new storage perception and maybe fresh ideas on how to utilize your vertical area that can work beyond artworks. Try it, and who knows, it will spark a light bulb inside your head. Number 5. A pull-out hamper drawer idea. A laundry basket in the bathroom is convenient. However, it can take up more room if you're short on it, so store your hamper on the wall. This pull-out hamper drawer saves floor space. The curvy sides prevent the hamper from moving and offer unique interests. You may not want a hefty drawer unless you can't locate a clothing hamper to fit. The solution: build a drawer as tall as the front drawer could prevent it from tipping like in the image. Curving sides are optional if you have carpentry knowledge and tools. A diagonal line from rear to front will do. Number 4. Ingenious niches in the awkward corner. One wall can accommodate a lot of storage. Instead of the standard niche in many shower rooms, create built-in shelves that reach the ceiling like in the example. To fit additional items of varying heights, adjust the dimensions of each frame. To complete it, build another floor-to-ceiling shelf unit to utilize the area behind the door. Number 3. Keep your furniture flush to save more space. This bathroom is so tiny that it only leaves 16 to 20 inches of floor space. The space is at a premium. Therefore, you must be thoughtful about the storage if your situation is similar. This idea requires heavy renovation and creative space management. One idea you can consider is changing the layout of your bathroom door. Either way, your measurement is crucial. Leaving the opaque glass door adaptation that enables you to see through the inside of your storage as nothing but an option you can uncheck from your plan. You'll find a clever alternative for it on the next point. Number 2. Simply install new doors. Installing built-in shelves next to the vanity has always been a good idea because you can grab grooming essentials and towels in no time. However, it also bears a drawback. The splash from the sink may damage several products and wet your dry and clean towels. To overcome this problem, you can install doors to the shelving unit. The installation job is a no-brainer, and if you want to give it unique touch for cheap, you can cover the front area of your shelf with a plastic vinyl replacement strip curtain door. Get the link inside the description. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have SimpHome Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1. A storage behind a mirror idea. This mirror serves you double duty. It can make a great cabinet door that conceals everything in the cabinetry. Most importantly, it's a functional full-length mirror that helps you check your look from head to toe more clearly. Your basic instruction: choose your location, decide on the size and type of your storage and the challenge you'll take. After choosing your style, your next job is to build a niche wall and set the mirror door hinges. After ensuring everything is sturdy, blending in with your space and ready to use, stick a plan to regularly clean the mirror and periodically check the hinges to avoid corrosion and make a replacement if you see any. Here, you're working on glass and wet surfaces, an ugly combination and even sometimes lethal when not treated properly. Keep that in mind. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon.